Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving who you are and why Google should care. First, claim and secure the Google account tied to your public identity, and make sure your official website has a clear about page and contact details. Next, collect authoritative references, press coverage, verified social profiles, business listings, because Google prioritizes verifiable sources. Once done, ensure name and metadata are consistent across sites. Small discrepancies break match signals. That consistency and documentation form the evidence Google uses to create or link a knowledge panel. Now you focus on feeding Google the right signals. Add structured data, schema, org markup for person or organization on your official pages so Google can parse facts like name, role, logo, and contact. Meanwhile, fully verify social profiles and your Google business profile if applicable. Those verifications are high-weight signals. Then use Google's Knowledge Panel claim or suggest an edit pathways to submit authoritative changes. Include links to the verified sources you gathered. These combined actions increase the chance Google creates or updates the panel. Finish by claiming any panel you receive, assign curator info, and choose preferred images and categories so entries display correctly. Make maintenance routine. Check for incorrect changes, refresh structured data, and publish new authoritative coverage when details shift. If you haven't received a panel after several months, troubleshoot. Audit your citations for quality, eliminate conflicting name variants, and ensure your official pages use clean schema. Then resubmit through Google's feedback or suggestion flow. Persistence plus stronger sources usually resolves issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.